Hey, what's up? Replacing a blower motor on a Gree Vireo 12K mini split. Really sucks. It's a horrible design, cheap Chinese. But to get off that outer shell, you have to remove a screw. There. Then there's one somewhere underneath. It'll be there on the, but on the cover you'll have to flip up a little cover and access the screw. Then to get this off, there's a screw. It's gonna be there, one there. There's a metal plate with a couple screws there, and then it's a pain in the ass. Let's see, temperature sensor goes in there. Wiring for the motor goes there. DC motor. So they probably have a brush, probably wear out. There's a couple screws on this side. There, and then there's two more in there, and you can take off this piece. And then there's a bearing piece here with a catch. You kind of have to pry a little bit and pop up out. And you can buy those bearings from, not really bearing, bushing from comfortup.com. The motor also you can get from comfortup.com. Motor was about 50 bucks. I don't know why they have the part number listed twice. One it's like $100, one it's 50. Let's see. This motor was making awful noise when it was running, and the unit's not even that old. These Gree mini splits are just kind of like a lot of Chinese stuff, just cheap throwaway. This one's about 2 years old. It was still working, but it was so noisy. Luckily this one's I installed two. Luckily this one's not in the bedroom.